The more I travel around to my favorite barbecue spots, the more I see this side item, pickled red onions. Let's make some. To begin, I'm gonna cut the ends off of a red onion. Chop it in half. We're gonna set this half to the side for now. You wanna take this and make some thin slices. Gonna break these up, throw them into a bowl. Gonna take some hot water. This is not boiling water, just heated it up on my stovetop. And we're going to cover these onions for 1.5 to 2 minutes. You can already start to smell those onions. I have found doing this is a crucial step to the look of the finished product. You don't want to go more than 2 minutes, but 1.5 to 2 minutes is perfect. Gonna take these and strain them through the colander. Get a cup of white vinegar, cup of water, 1/4 cup of sugar, couple tablespoons of salt. Just like to point out, I'm using kosher salt, so if you're using table salt, you may want to adjust the amount you put in here. Gonna do the juice of 1 whole lime and whisk this until the sugar and the salt are dissolved. Next up, we're gonna smash 3 cloves of garlic and give them a rough chop. Next step, 1 serrano. Actually, half a serrano. Obviously, this step is optional. Some people don't like heat, but I really enjoy it. So it's going into the party. Oh, and I may be stating the obvious. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly after touching this, or you can wear gloves while you chop it. Next step, we're just going to start stuffing onions in a mason jar. You'll also want to disperse your garlic and your serranos throughout the stuffing process. One step I almost forgot, going to add in about, 10 to 15 peppercorns. Now, add in your vinegar and water mixture. You just want to bring it to the top. Pop on your lid and just wait. These are going to get a reddish, bright pink color once they are fully pickled. One thing I need to point out about the garlic in this, once it is pickled, the garlic can sometimes, it doesn't always happen, but it can start to turn blue. It doesn't mean things are molded or things are going wrong. It's just a chemical reaction with the vinegar. So don't fret, everything is okay. And here we are 24 hours later. You can see color has changed significantly. They're more of a pinkish color now. So let's taste them. You can definitely get the heat coming from the pepper, and that lime juice is kind of punching through the vinegar too. There you go. As you can hear, still a decent amount of crunch to it, but that bite that a raw onion has, that's gone. It's mellowed significantly. Definitely adding the lime to the vinegar makes it not quite so harsh. Gives it a different kind of complexity, and the sugar that we added kind of sweetens everything up so everything doesn't go bitter and sour. You can definitely taste the serrano added in. That is punching up the heat a little bit, not to an uncomfortable degree, but it is there. You can feel it in the background. So again, if heat is not your friend, you can drop those out of the mix and everything will be okay. This is a great thing to have on hand to put on just about anything you cook, not just grilled food, but stuff you eat with the family on the weeknights. So give it a try. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or drop me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. Every time you do that, it helps to push me out to a few more people. So help me continue to spread the word. And with that, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I will catch you next time.